I am Katha Vachak and welcome to the realm of Katha. Today's Katha is about a simpleton farmer living in a small village with his wife and his kids. This farmer owned a small piece of barren land on which he couldn't grow anything and hence was spending his life in extreme poverty. He had an elder brother who was living in a town as a successful businessman. Now, one day, frustrated out of his poor condition, the farmer decided that he should go to the town and try to earn a better living. So next day, early morning, he started off for the town. On the way, he came across a river and decided to rest there. Sitting under a tree, he was reminiscing of his poor condition. And suddenly he saw a goddess-like figure emerging from the water and walking towards him. The goddess reached him and asked him his reason to cry, and the farmer narrated his complete life story to her. After thinking for a bit, the goddess took out a conch, a shank, and gave it to the farmer and said, "Every day after taking morning bath, pray to this conch and ask it for 100 coins, and it will grant it to you." And saying this, she disappeared. The farmer got really happy. Then he thought that since I've walked so many miles, I should pay my brother a visit at least. So he started off towards his brother's place. After reaching there, he narrated the complete story to his brother, who got a little skeptical in the start, but decided to ask his brother to stay back for 3-4 days to verify the story. So next day, after completing his morning rituals, the farmer took out the conch and prayed to it to give him 100 coins. And lo and behold, the 100 coins came jingling out of the conch. Seeing this, his brother got really greedy and decided to take away the conch from his brother. During the night when the farmer was sleeping, his brother crept into his room and replaced the conch with a normal conch. Next day morning, he suddenly woke his brother up and sent him away to his village. After coming back to the village, the farmer told the story to his family, and the whole family sat together to pray to the conch. Now they asked and asked, but nothing came out of the conch. The farmer got really dejected and decided to go back to the town. Next day morning, he started off for the town and again came across the river, and he sat there to rest again. Suddenly, he saw the same goddess reappear who came to him and asked him his reason to be sad again. After hearing his story, she asked him to give the conch back to her. Taking the conch in her hand, she realized the complete situation. Then she took out another conch and gave it to the farmer and said, "Son, this is Dhapor Shank. Now every day morning after taking the morning bath, pray to the Shank and ask it to give you 100 coins. Now understand that it will tell you that it can give you much more. But remember to ask him to give it to you only when you reach your village home." And saying this, the goddess vanished again. Now the farmer decided that he should visit his brother one more time. So he went there and told him the complete story of Dhapor Shank. Now the brother thought that this is the Shank that I want. So in that night again, he crept into his brother's room and replaced the Dhapor Shank with the previous Shank that he had stolen from him. And next day morning, insulting his brother, he sent him back to his village. Completely humiliated, the farmer returned to his home in village and sat with his family to ask the conch of 100 coins again. And the conch happily gave them 100 coins. Now back in town, his elder brother sat with Dhapor Shank next day morning and prayed to it, "Hey Dhapor Shank, please give me 100 coins." As soon as he asked, the Dhapor Shank said, "Why 100? Take 1000. Arey, I can give you 1 million. Take 100 million instead." And then he kept quiet. After waiting for 5-10 minutes when nothing came out of the conch, the brother asked again, "Hey Dhapor Shank, please give me 100 coins." And Dhapor Shank again said, "Why 100? Take 1000. Arey, I can give you 1 billion itself. You'll be the richest guy in the world. I'll give you 1 trillion. And then again kept quiet and nothing came out of it. Now completely angry, the brother said to Dhapor Shank, "See, you are promising such big numbers, such big values, but you are giving me nothing. Give me 1 trillion then." And Dhapor Shank said to him, "Brother, I'm not some random conch. I'm Dhapor Shank. I can promise you, but I'll never fulfill it." So this was today's Katha. Now we get 2 learnings from this Katha. One, that we should never get jealous of others' success. And second, we should all be careful of the Dhapor Shanks all around us. So until next time, namaste.